In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to clear a bathroom sink with just a drain snake or a hand snake. This is very easy and straightforward method. You don't need to be a professional plumber to get this job done. So let's get started. First, let's get everything you need together. For this job, you will need a hand snake or a drain snake, a plastic bag, and a pair of gloves. Next, you'll need to remove the sink stopper. This can be done by either unscrewing it or pulling it out, depending on your sink's design. If it's stuck or tricky to remove, grab some pliers to help you get a better grip. Once the stopper is out, it's time to insert the hand snake or a drain snake into the drain. Gently push it down the drain. Make sure it's securely in place before you start turning. You may feel some resistance when you first insert, but that's perfectly normal. Try to keep the snake as close to the drain as possible. Now start turning the snake clockwise. The goal here is to break the clog by pushing the snake through the obstruction. This clockwise motion will help the snake grab onto the clog and break it apart. Do not turn the snake counterclockwise unless you feel it's stuck. If that happens, pull it out and try again in the right direction. Also, you don't want to lose whatever the snake has grabbed into. So when you turn clockwise, you are going to keep turning whatever is there and you'll be able to pull it out as you back up. As you keep turning, you'll feel the snake meet resistance. When the clog starts to break up, the resistance will lessen and you'll know you're making progress. Keep turning the snake until you either feel the clog gave away or you have gone as far as you can. Once you have broken the clog, carefully pull the snake back out. Inspect the end of the snake for any debris like hair, soap scum, or other gunk. This is the source of clog. It's a good idea to place whatever you pull out into the plastic bag to keep things neat and avoid any mess in the sink. After you have removed the clog, it's time to clean up. Wipe down the sink and drain area to make sure there's no leftover debris. Don't forget to dispose of the plastic gloves and any other waste in the plastic bag. Finally, reassemble your sink by putting the stopper back in place. Give it a quick test to make sure everything is draining properly. If it drains without any issue, you have successfully cleared the clog. I'm sure you liked this video and you found it useful. Subscribe to this channel, like this video. Feel free to share it with your family and friends. Thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you on the next video.